What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be flying this drone 1 mile. I follow a lot of tech channels, and a guy posted a video. I'll link his channel up top, but he posted a video on this, and he said one reason why you don't buy it is because it disconnects whenever you are flying it. So I kind of challenged that in the comment section, and some people said, why don't you make a video show that it goes a mile? He said there's not a lot of videos on YouTube showing that. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a video showing that this can go a mile. So here it is. I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna be trying to make this go 1 mile. What is it, 5,280 feet. I'm gonna go ahead and get the GoPro recording. Or not the GoPro, but the iPad. And then so y'all can see everything that's going on. But I'm gonna try to get this to go 1 mile.
Successful. Aircraft will take off. The waypoint has been updated. Please check it on the map.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna get it up pretty high and hopefully go a mile. This wind is actually really bad today, as I'm sure y'all could probably hear it in the microphone. But you can see the D down there is the dimension, how far I am away. And the H is the height. Let me adjust my my distance. I forgot to do that. Nope, it's good, set good. It's good, set to a good spot. So I know this is kind of boring, just hearing me talk, but the point is trying to get this drone to 5,280 feet. I'm at 2,000 right now. I've had this to a mile before, but you know, things change sometimes. Just shouldn't, but we'll see. 2,600, 2,700. 3,000, which I'm sure you guys could see that on the screen. And we are getting a little shakiness. So I'm gonna bring it up a little bit. The wind is really bad, as I'm sure y'all could hear and see with the drone. This last 1,000 feet is gonna be nerve-wracking. And weak signal at 37, which I could still go. Take it out of sports mode and see how far I can go. It's gonna go, but it's gonna go a lot slower. Almost just 1,000 feet away from the point where I need to be. Man, the battery life's never gonna let me get there at this speed. And I lost signal. Nope, got signal back. 4,600 feet. See, it depends where you are. Like, I've done this before without recording, and I've reached a mile. And I've actually ain't high enough either. I should be higher, but I'm not. 4,700 feet. And see that H up top? If that reaches the time, it'll barely make it back home, so I gotta be careful to look out for that. 49, 100 feet. Okay, I only have 200 more feet to go. Push it over on top of the water. And I lost connection. That's not good. Okay, I got 5,000 feet. I had to return it home because it lost connection, but as you can see, it reconnected. But it is returning home, and hopefully the battery life lets it get here. So let's see. 200 feet off. I thought I could do it. I gotta cut the video right there. I did make it a mile because 300 feet in the air and then 5,000 feet the dimension. So I didn't think about that when I was out there recording. Okay, sorry to interrupt, back to the video. Okay, so I went 5,000 feet. I needed 200 feet to hit the actual mile, 280. I think where I messed up is I was only at like 200 and something feet in the air, 300. The last time I actually went a mile, I wasn't doing this, but I needed to, I was at like 400, 500 feet. I can do this video again to try to get a mile, but I think I need to be way higher and the wind don't need to be so bad. But we'll see. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. And the drone actually made it back home, so we're good. It's freaking me out.